Hi, this is Namrata Gulati Sapra, Deputy Editor at Saur Energy International. This is another day of Intersolar at Gandhinagar. With us is Mr. Manjunath Reddy. He is the founder and director at Dhash PV. Thank you so much for joining us for the interview.
Thank you so much.
So tell us about Dhash PV and its manufacturing facilities and capacity.
Yeah, Dash PV Technologies Private Limited is established in 2017. So our core product is manufacturing of PV junction boxes and the connectors. We located in Bangalore and present we have a 11 gigawatt of manufacturing capacity, and we moving forward in the down the line next 3 years. We are coming with a 50 gigawatt of manufacturing facility in Bangalore location. So which will be the single proud largest PV junction box manufacturer among the globe.
And 50 gigawatt is something you are looking to achieve by?
By 2025.
Okay. And tell us about the equipment that you manufacture.
We are manufacturing the very unique product called PV junction box, and we are using engineering plastics, which is the flammability class of 5V0 and RTA rating of 125 degrees Celsius, which is superior than the any competitors are manufacturing in the world as in today. So we want to be always in the unique manufacturer. So therefore, Government of India is also recognized as a start of India for manufacturing of PV junction boxes as a unique product.
And you also have the Trio PV junction box, right? Tell us about that.
Yeah. In the beginning of this calendar year, we established a Trio junction box, which is suitable for M10 and M12 and as well as TopCon models as well. So this product is having with a multiple current rating from 20 ampere, 25 and as well as 30 ampere. So this is having that higher current capacity in order to meet the higher efficiency of the model requirement at the same time. And this product have been completed 3 times of IEC certifications from Finland, which is approved by the Ministry of New Renewable Energy.
And what about certifications IP68?
So we have our product has compliant with IP68 according to IEC 62790 and IEC 62852, which is international standards.
And tell us about your presence in India as well as internationally. Where are you looking to launch internationally?
So in India, we have a very strong base and we are supplying to all the model manufacturers across India. And also we have a certain portion of the export market like Europe, Turkey, Middle East and Emirates. But at the same time, we're looking forward the penetrating market for the US as well in the next year. So moving forward that in the next down the line of the next 3 to 4 years, our export potential is increasing the 40% of the capacity utilization out of 50 gigawatt by 2026.
And in India, which state takes the highest market share for you?
Of course, the Gujarat is the major, the number of model manufacturers are located and having the highest capacity as in today in the Gujarat state. So definitely the Gujarat market is also most important for us and the major share which is coming from here.
And going ahead, how do you see the market evolving?
After PLI scheme from Government of India, all the big corporates are coming with gigawatt manufacturing facilities. And we estimated around 50 to 60 gigawatt of model manufacturing capacity would be installed by 2026. So therefore, it will be huge. The potentiality market is available, and at the same time, also we also supporting to the industry for building a higher capacity of up to 50 gigawatt to build a complete ecosystem to become a self-reliant.
Thank you so much for your views. Thank you.